Okay, welcome to question 16. Now, that's if you're following the foundation playlist. We are on question number 1 on the higher playlist. So we're just going to do 2 questions because I've had a few problems with Microsoft Stream. I don't want to do 5, 6 questions and then it doesn't save. So here are the first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. So these are always in the format of an plus b, where the a is what the sequence is increasing in, and b is what I call the 0 term. Okay, so let's write term there. So we can see from this sequence that it's going up in threes, which means it's 3n. And if we then go backwards, because this is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, if we subtract 3, we get to negative 2, and that's the value that goes on the end. And that's all you need to do for those questions. The nth term of a different arithmetic sequence is 5n plus 17. Find the 12th term of the sequence. So this involves substituting the number 12 into n, because n represents the number or the term value that you want, and we're going to add the 17 to it. So 5 times by 12 I think is 60, but we're going to run it through the calc, and then we add the 17 onto it, which gives us 77. Okay, we're doing 2 questions here, so we're going to go into the next one. Question 17, or question 2 on the higher. 450 students were asked how they travelled to school on Monday. This is sort of covered down here, so I don't really need that. There's just a lot of words. Each student walked or travelled by bus or travelled by car or travelled by bicycle. That's all in the table, so I need to worry about that. Each student used just one method of travel. Okay, don't need that anymore. One of these students is students chosen at random. The table shows information about the probability of each method. Work out how many of the students travelled by car. So we need to do 450 times by the probability that they went by car, which is 2x. So we've got to figure out what that 2x is. All of these probabilities will add up to a very specific number. They will add up to 1. Okay, so we've got an equation to solve. That gives me 3x is equal to, 3x plus 0.46 is equal to 1. So 3x is equal to 0.54, and treble 18 on the dartboard is 54, so x is equal to 0.18. That means the probability that they'll get a bus is 0.18, and the probability they'll get a car, if we double it, is 0.36. Okay, finally, 450 is going to be multiplied by 0.36. 450 times by 0.36, which gives us 162 as our final answer, and we pop that on the answer line. Okay, that's those 2 questions. Hopefully this short video is useful, and I'll see you next time.